it's Lori Ashmore Peters with the Ashmore Law Firm. Back in August, we did a video about Robin Williams' death. And as tragic as it was, we talked about how nice it was actually to see that a celebrity, or anyone for that matter, had their affairs in order. He had a revocable living trust because he was such a private person, and it looked like everything was going to be distributed exactly as he wanted. However, now in reading the news, we see that that's not the case. We are in such a litigious society that it seems these days everyone sues everyone for something. And now we see that Robin Williams' third wife and his children are at odds with each other. A lot of times we find that it's not the money and the larger assets in the accounts that create the problem, but it's the personal property that has the sentimental value. And now we see that the kids are fighting with his wife for that personal property. We always encourage that if you think you have an incredibly loving family, unfortunately, because we see the litigation side of it and we see the worst, that isn't always the case when someone passes away. If you have specific items that you want left to your kids, if you're in a second marriage, or if you are in your first marriage and your family or your kids may not all get along, be sure to specify those items out. Instead of saying all my jewelry goes to my children to be distributed equally, perhaps designate what the jewelry is, or take a video, or list it in some type of a document just so that it is completely clear what you want. Again, Lori Ashmore Peters with the Ashmore Law Firm.